How to transfer money from Way2Go card to Cash app. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from a Way2Go card to Cash app. First, open the Cash app mobile application, just like you can see here, which will take you to the home page of the app. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of Cash app. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the page. After that, tap on this option named Linked Banks. You will land on this page where you will see a list of all the banks and cards that are connected to your Cash app account. What you have to do now is to connect your Way2Go card here. To do that, all you have to do is tap on this option. After that, proceed and make sure you fill in the card information in this field here. Make sure you enter the right information here. After verifying the information, and then go ahead and tap here, Link Card. The card will then be linked. After that, let me show you how you can transfer the money. Come back to the home page of the app, just like you can see here. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the bank icon. It is this icon that appears here. On this page, there are options that are related to money. From those options, make sure you tap this option here named Add Money. A menu will appear where you are supposed to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. After that, tap here, Add. The money will then be transferred from Way2Go to Cash app. Also, you can enter any amount you want by tapping on these three dots here. After that, go ahead and enter the amount you would like to transfer on this page. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to transfer money from Way2Go card to Cash app.